How does it feel when you study all day, but still your friend scores more than you? The one who studied 10x less than you? You spent hours making perfect notes while your friends were outside playing. People say hard work pays off, but the reality is, along with hard work, smart work is equally important. In today's video, I'll share 12 powerful study techniques that will help you get the same marks in just 3 hours that others don't get even after studying for 10 hours. And trust me, the ninth method is the most powerful one. So watch at least till there. Brain smart work versus hard work. Nothing is difficult when you use smart work. Imagine two students. Both study 6 hours daily, but still, one scores much higher than the other. Why? Because of a small difference in how they study. Studies show that our brain works at 100% efficiency only for about 30 to 60 minutes. Student A didn't know this. He studied continuously for 6 hours. So technically, he studied 6 hours, but effectively, only 1 hour. Because after some time, brain efficiency drops to 20 to 30%. Stopwatch pomodoro technique. Student B used the pomodoro technique. Study for 30 to 50 minutes. Then take a 5 to 10 minute break. This helps your brain recharge and go back to 100% efficiency. So in 6 hours, he actually gets around 5.5 hours of effective study. But here's the problem. Most students fail this method. Why? Because during breaks, they start using their phone, and a 5-minute break turns into 5 hours. Backhand index pointing right, so avoid high dopamine activities during breaks. Best thing, walk around, relax, refresh your mind. Calendar planning your day. Ever felt like you want to study, but just can't? That's because your day isn't planned properly. Student A wakes up and checks his phone first, wastes half the day, then studies. Student B studies first, then uses the phone as a reward. Guess who scores more? Obviously, student B, because student A already overstimulated his brain with dopamine. Globe showing Europe, Africa, environment matters. Author James Clear says in Atomic Habits, backhand index pointing right, your environment shapes your habits. Kitchen feel like eating, bed feel like sleeping, party feel like dancing, study table feel like studying. Your brain takes cues from your surroundings. So always have a separate study space. Don't study, eat, and scroll in the same place. Books concept versus facts. Some things stay in memory for years. Others disappear instantly. Why? Because you try to memorize facts without understanding concepts. Example, if you understand how World War II started, you'll never forget the year 1939. Backhand index pointing right concept equals memory anchor. Backhand index pointing right facts alone equals useless. Puzzle piece meaningful learning example. If I say random 13 letters, you won't remember them. But if those same letters form a meaningful word or pattern, you'll remember easily. Backhand index pointing right, because the brain remembers meaning, not randomness. Warning, superficial thinking versus deep thinking. Most students do superficial thinking. Example, Group A counted vowels and words. Group B imagined the actual meaning. Later, Group A remembered only 5 words. Group B remembered 10 words. Backhand index pointing right, deep thinking equals double memory. Repeat button active recall, most important. Reading notes is not equal to learning. When you read, your brain only recognizes information. But in exams, you need to recall it. Backhand index pointing right, use active recall. After studying, close the book and try to remember everything from your brain. If you can recall it, you've truly learned it. Sleeping face sleep is powerful. Even perfect study techniques are useless without sleep. When you sleep 7 to 8 hours, your brain converts information into long-term memory. This happens during REM sleep. Backhand index pointing right, no sleep equals no memory. Brain Feynman technique. To understand anything deeply, backhand index pointing right, teach it like you're explaining to a 5-year-old. If you get stuck, that's where your understanding is weak. You can even teach yourself out loud. Open book SQ3 or method. One of the best methods. Survey, quickly scan the chapter. Question, ask questions in your mind. Read, study active. Recite, recall from memory. Review, revise later. This activates your brain's curiosity. Counterclockwise arrows, buttons, spaced repetition. You can't revise everything 7 times. So use this. First revision, next day. Second after 3 to 4 days. Third after 10 to 12 days. Keep increasing the gap. Backhand index pointing right. This makes memory permanent. Brain mnemonics, memory tricks. Use shortcuts to remember complex info. Example, rainbow colors VibGear. Right atrium deoxygenated, Ra equals DEO. Backhand index pointing right mnemonics equals faster recall. Direct hit ending. So remember, it's not about studying more. It's about studying smart. Use these techniques, and you'll see results in just a few days. Comment your results below, and tell me which method worked best for you.